Hey guys, my name is Ernie and I am brand new to the vlogging game. I am a nurse. I also have just started vlogging, so nice to meet you guys. I'm actually here today because this video is actually being sponsored by a company that I have been using for up to a year. As some of you know, this past couple of years I was battling some kind of a tumor that I've had in my jaw. Thus resulted in me taking medications and having to use a swish to numb my mouth, which ended up staining my teeth. The worst part about all of this was just never wanting to smile because my teeth were so stained and so yellow. But that was until I found this company right here, White with Style. So White with Style, it comes with these whitening kits. They come in all kinds of flavors. I believe there's bubblegum, cotton candy, and I actually have the strawberry flavor right here. And I know, guys, this is so cliche. I'm not a Kardashian. I'm not a celebrity, and I'm not Insta famous, but I think this is pretty cool. These can be very pricey, but they actually gave me a promotion code, which will be basically 90% off. I believe they're like up to $120 for their packages, but with my code, which you will see down here, it's at MurseErnie. It will be up to $28, and I think that's a very good price. So let's take a look at what they have inside. The White with Style kits come with 2 mouth trays like these, and I know you guys have seen these before. You just boil some water, you put these in for I believe 10 seconds, you put them in your mouth, you're gonna suck in, leave it in your mouth for 15 seconds, and then you'll put it in some cold water for up to I believe 12 seconds. And they mold right into your teeth. And it comes with this right here. This looks like it's not a lot, but it actually is. Once you've molded this to your teeth and it has little molds and little ridges, you literally put 1 drop in each of the ridges and then you put it to your teeth. And I know you guys all have seen this infamous light from every Insta famous person and every Kardashian known to man. You put this in, and they recommend that you do it for 30 minutes. And the package also comes with the directions. I know you guys aren't gonna remember everything that I say. It comes with this. It comes with the vitamin E swabs. So basically, if you get the gel on your gums and you feel that it's irritating, the best thing about this product is I've used everything. I have used Crest White strips and everything. And my biggest thing was finding something that didn't make my teeth so sensitive because I love cold drinks and I love to eat after. So using this right here, I literally, if I felt any kind of irritation, you just swab around your gums and it's really good. So you have your mouth trays, you have your light, you can get your bright, shiny teeth. Alright guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I hope you like this video. Comment, subscribe, and like this video. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at MurseErnie, Twitter at MurseErnie, and Snapchat will be at Swaggin'A-Million. I know, don't laugh at it. Make sure to get the promo code. It will be in the descriptions below. And if you are on Snapchat and Instagram, I'll have you guys swipe up. So all the information will be there. Just remember to use the promo code at MurseErnie. Have a good one, guys.